Welcome. Here we are discussing about user-defined functions in C++. Now we can go to our first question. So, develop a C++ program to find Fibonacci series of any number using function findFib of n and use the above function in order to form a pattern in Fibon pattern. We can go to a program. So, this is our program. Here, I am declaring the function findFibo and passing integer n as parameter. I am declaring 5 variables a, b, c, I, and j as the integer and assigning value of a as and b as 1. Using for loop, I am initializing I as 1 and checking whether I less than or equal to n. Then I am incrementing the value of I. Once the loop gets executed, then I am initializing a as 0 and b as 1. And then I am displaying the value of b and swapping a, b, and c. I am declaring the main function. Under the main function, I am inputting the value of n and calling the function findFib of n. Now we can run this program. I am giving the number of rows as 5. So we got the output. Now we can go to our next program. Sorry, next question. So here is our next question. Develop a C++ program to find all Armstrong number between the given intervals using function find Armstrong number passed to integers which represent starting interval and ending interval as arguments to the function and display the results in the same function. Now we can go to its program. So this is the program. Here, first I am declaring find Armstrong number function and passing a and b as parameters of integer data type. Then I am declaring 4 variables temp, count1, p, and arms. And using for loop and initializing I to n whether I less than b, then I am incrementing the value of I after the loop get executed. I am initializing the variable c and assigning it to I. Then I am declaring a while loop and checking whether c greater than 0, and then I am incrementing the value of count1 and dividing count1 by n. This is integer division and I am assigning the value of temp as I and I am using a while loop checking whether temp not equal to 0 and getting the remainder of count1 and dividing count1 by 0 and then I am assigning the value of temp as I using while loop and checking whether temp not equal to 0 and getting the remainder of temp and assigning it to p and taking the p power of count1 adding it with arms. For taking p power of count1 I am using power function which comes under the library hash include cmath. Then I'm getting the quotient value of temp by doing integer division and I'm continuing the while loop until the condition gets satisfied. I'm assigning temp value as 0 and checking whether I equal to arms and displaying the number is an Armstrong number and I'm assigning the value of arms as 0. Under int main, I'm initializing two variables a and b and I'm initializing count1 as 0 and I'm getting the input of a and b and I'm declaring the function find Armstrong number and I'm calling the function here. Now we can run this program. So I'm giving the number as 10 and 20. So the Armstrong number between 10 and 20 is number 12. We got the output. Now we can go to our next question. So here is our next question. Develop a C++ program that allows the user to perform arithmetic operations on two numbers. Your program must be menu driven, allowing the user to select the operation addition, subtraction, division, or multiplication and input the numbers. Now we can go to our program. So here is our program. Here I am declaring all the library files. I am declaring a function void show choice and putting the user's choice by displaying the choices available. I am declaring int add, int sub, int mul, int div and passing two parameters a and b of integer data type and a user defined function under each function. I am performing the specified arithmetic operation and returning the value of the operation data type and declaring a function in main and declaring three variables a, b, c, h of integer data type. Using do while, I am calling show choice function and inputting the user's choice. Then I am declaring a switch case with four test cases. Under each cases, I am displaying a user-defined function was defined in void show choice. Then I am declaring default cases invalid choice. Now we can run this program. I am giving the choice 1 and the 2 open 2 and 3. So we got 5. I am giving the choices 2 and the 2 operands. I am giving 4 and 2. We got 2. I am giving the choices 3, 2 operands 4 and 5. We got the operation as 20. Enter your choice. I am giving 4. I am giving two numbers as 10 and 5, 2. So we got the output. Now we can go to a next question. So here is the next question. Develop a C++ program to find the given numbers are amicable pair or not using functions. So we can go to a program. So this is a program. Here I am declaring all the library files and I am declaring a function in sum pfact and passing the parameter n as integer data type and then assign the sum as 0 and using for loop initialize I as 1 and check whether I less than n, then increment the value 5. Check whether remainder of n is 0. If so, assign I to sum, then reduce the value of sum. Declare the main function. Declare two integers n1 and n2. Check whether remainder of n1 equal to n2 and n2 equal to n1. If the condition is true, it will print the number are amicable pair. If the condition is false, it will print the numbers are not amicable pair. Now we can run this program. So I am giving the number as then numbers I give is not amicable pair. So when you give the amicable pair, it will print as amicable pair. Now we can go to our next question. So here, develop a C++ program to find GCD or HCF of two numbers using function. Find HCF of int, pass two integers as argument to the function and display the result in the same function. Now we can go to the program. So here is the program. Here I am declaring find HCF function and passing two parameters a and b. I am assigning fact as 0 using for loop. I am initializing I as 1 and checking whether I less than or equal to a and increment the value 5. And I am incrementing the value of I after the loop get executed. I am checking whether the remainder of a and b is 0. If so, I am assigning I to fact in the value of fact. I am declaring the main function and declaring four integers f1, f2, l1 and l2 and getting the value of the same and checking whether L1 greater than F2. If so, I am assigning the value of F1 to L1 and F2 to L2. Then, if the condition is not satisfied, the control comes to else part. Here I am assigning the value of F1 to L2 and F2 to L1 and then I am getting the output. Now we can run this program. Let's see for 4 and 2 is 2. So we got the output. Thank you.